Hey guys, so y'all notice something here? It rained. Yep, it did rain. It rained early this morning. I got up at about 7:30 this morning. I was planning to cut the grass. Looked out my window and saw that it was raining. But no big deal. In fact, we need the rain really bad, because we have had a really bad drought here in Texas. And it's definitely done a number on our grass, especially out here in the back. This is a spot here that really gets hit real hard from the sun, from right here and over here, especially right here. This is usually like the hottest spot. Some of the grass along here is now beginning to come back to life because of that rain that we got. Now some parts of the grass here in the back is starting to look a little bit overgrown, because it's been almost 2 weeks since I last cut the grass. The last time I cut the grass was August 2nd, when I did the lawn cutting video. Here's another spot here that gets hit real hard by the sun. See, there's already starting to be some dead spots. And I think with this rain, with the rain we just got, will help it. There used to be a tree right here. Ever since we had that tree cut down, there's been a lot more sunlight right here, and the grass has gotten a lot thicker along here. Well, this area right here, boy, look how tall that is. That's pretty tall right there. Oh, and y'all need to see the front yard. Let me show y'all the front yard. Boy, it is really tall. It's real tall out front. Yeah, there's a couple of dead spots, which it could possibly just be brown patches. I just probably need to sprinkle some cornmeal on them, but I'm out of cornmeal. There's another spot right there. I think maybe with the rain, this rain that we got, it's helped it some. But yeah, look how tall the grass is here in the front. Well, it's really tall. It's still really wet too. Because this spot usually gets hit from the sun real hard. And even right here too. I mean, yeah, just look from here. Yeah, the grass is real tall. Yeah, this was the first rain that we got in about 2 months. Last time we got rain was when we had that tornado that touched down real close to us back in late May. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show y'all all this. So maybe hopefully we'll get some more rain. And even though my dad forgot to cover up his grill. We actually got two grills here. This grill here is actually my brother's. It was an early college graduation gift. In fact, he's going to be graduating from college today. Some leaves on it. Alright guys, so see y'all later. Bye.